The age-old problem how to center a div has come a long way, but now they finally released a convenient solution for this. As of Chrome 1.2.3, it is now possible to center a block element vertically. You see, for years developers had to come up with crazy ideas for this seemingly simple thing. Just put the element in the center of the screen. Sure, we had text align center and margin 0 auto, but they both only solve horizontal centering. It was not possible to center something vertically without having to do some crazy position absolute calculations. But then Flexbox and Grid came along, and they totally changed the game. Using justify content center and align item center, we had an okay solution for centering elements. Grid even had a shorthand to turn these two into one line of code. But we still had to change the display property of the element to either flex or grid. And now, finally, we have the browser support for a property called align content. Strictly speaking, this property is not totally new. It came with Flexbox and Grid to handle vertical alignment in the layout, but it was only for Flex and Grid elements. Now it is possible to use align content on a normal block element. We have a simple div and we can use text align center to center it horizontally, and then we can use align content center to center it vertically. There is no display property required. My name is Fabian and this was Coding to Go, the channel where you learn the most relevant coding concepts in just a few minutes.